Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, I will teach you some best transitions for your travel videos in less than 90 seconds. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you level up your travel videos in the future. Once again, this is Geronimo. If you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, don't forget to click the subscribe button down there. And if you like this video and gusto mo pang makatulong sa ibang tao, don't forget to click the like and share button. And also, if you want to help this channel and me creating more videos in the future, don't forget to click the Buy Me a Coffee site in our description box below. Once again, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.